Your body talks, but are you listening? Every headache, every low-energy afternoon, every sluggish morning, could be your body waving a red flag. At My Healing Bite, we believe detox isn't about extremes. Let's talk about a 3-day reset that actually works, from the inside out. Day 1 begins the way all great journeys do, with a clean slate. Start your morning with lukewarm lemon water and pink Himalayan salt, simple, powerful, and balancing. Skip caffeine just for today. Swap in dandelion tea or matcha, giving your liver what it craves. Your meals. Think raw, clean, and colorful. Cucumbers, beets, apples, leafy greens, nature's detox team. End with a turmeric ginger elixir and get good sleep. At My Healing Bite, we always say, healing begins in stillness. Now the real work begins. Day 2 is your reset. Start with light movement, a 10-minute morning walk to wake up your lymph system, your body's internal drain. Go green all day. Spirulina smoothies, avocado toast, steamed broccoli, foods that fuel your cells. Cut the heaviness. Avoid processed carbs and drink infused water, mint lime or rosemary orange. At My Healing Bite, we keep it simple but science-backed. You've arrived, day 3, recharge. Your digestion has slowed. Your mind is clearer. Your skin may be glowing. Today, nourish deeper. Add bone broth, steamed sweet potatoes, Greek yogurt, sauerkraut. Take a moment to breathe. Meditate. Stretch. Because here at My Healing Bite, we know true detox includes your mind and soul too. Let's bust a myth or two. Detox doesn't mean starving or sipping cayenne pepper all day. And it's not about dropping weight fast. It's about rhythm, hydration, rest, movement, real food, and mindful choices. At My Healing Bite, we ditch the hype and bring you health that lasts. 3 days. That's all it takes to feel lighter, clearer, more connected to yourself. Don't wait for Monday, your reset can begin today. This is My Healing Bite, where your journey to natural health begins. Like, follow, and share if this helped you feel a little more whole.